Big consulting firms are blowing the AI growth opportunity in the cloud. Here's why and what you need to consider if you're a client that's depending on these firms for success. For the past decade, the promise of artificial intelligence has dominated boardrooms and consulting reports, yet the results haven't matched the hype. Major studies now show that an astonishing 95% of enterprise AI projects are failing to deliver real business value. Instead of transformative outcomes, many organizations are left with expensive pilots, flashy demos, and little measurable ROI. So why is this happening? Especially as so many projects are led by the world's top consulting firms. In this video, I'm going to break down the core reasons behind the dismal success rate and what truly needs to change for AI to deliver lasting transformation. Now, everybody's heard of the MIT study where they came up with actually something that I've seen for a while, where the majority, 95% of the AI projects out there are failing to return ROI. And what I'm noticing as we're ending 2025 and moving into 2026 is that the number of failed AI projects out there, typically run on cloud-based platforms, is out of control. And I think this should be a bigger scandal than it is. I think people just kind of glossed, oh, okay, yeah, 95% are failing, we get it. And yet the investment is still being made in many of these dysfunctional processes and some of the under-talent folks that are delivering this stuff. Now, in other words, I'm seeing reports like the MIT report that's showing me a very dismal record in terms of ROI from some of these AI projects. In other words, I'm under NDA working with large Global 2000 companies that are trying to figure out why their AI projects are not bearing fruit. And I'm finding many of the same patterns. So the good news is this is fixable. The bad news is we got to be willing to understand that we have a problem before we're able to move forward with the fixes. The vast majority of enterprise AI projects fail because they prioritize technology solutions over solving genuine business problems. And this is really kind of the core reason why people are failing.